This is Lori Mills, online facilitator for the NSCC. Today we're looking at P.1, Example 4, Finding the Union of Two Sets. First of all, before we begin, I wanted to recap for you Example 3, where we looked at the intersection of two sets. And if you recall, the intersection symbol is an upside down U. I wanted to bring your attention back to that. And also, intersection means all the common numbers from the two sets. Okay, if you could keep that in mind, we'll now go to Example 4. And instead of finding the intersection of sets, we're now looking at the union of sets. When you're looking for the union of sets A and B, you're going to list all the numbers together. And here's what that looks like. In Example 4, it says find the union of set A, which are the numbers 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and the set B, numbers of set B, 6, 8, 10, and 12. And look at the symbol for union. It's a right side up U, not upside down. How can you remember that this right side up U is the symbol for union? Well, look at what union starts with, a right side up U. That will help you remember what the symbol for union is, a right side up U. Okay, so to answer this question, find the union between these two sets, what we're going to do is list all the numbers, starting from the smallest, working up to the greatest. The key is not to repeat any numbers. So I'm going to use hash marks to make sure that I include all the numbers, and I'm starting with the smallest, which happens to be the 6 in set B. So 6 starts my answer set, and then the next number is 7 from set A. 8 is in both sets, but I only write it down once. Remember, no repeats in the union of sets. 9 comes next. 10 is in both sets. I write it down once, no repeats. Then comes 11, and 12 finishes off my answer. And I finish with a curly brace. There's the answer for Example 4, with no repeats. Okay, let's keep going forward. Checkpoint 4, I have set A, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. I'm finding the union with set B, 3, 7, 8, and 9. So again, for my answer, I'm going to look for all the numbers together without any repeats, starting with the smallest number, 3. Then comes 4. Then comes 5, 6. 7 is in both sets, but I write it down just once, no repeats. And then 8 and 9 to finish it off. And there's my answer for checkpoint 4. Union of sets, right side up U. Thanks for watching.